Okay, so when I look at the content of each of the pages, I think you did a great job on that. I like the table here. I think we can do something different with the table though. Maybe taking these three columns and making it another heading, continue vertically instead of horizontally. I think that'll help out there. Um, but when I look at the content here, definitely on the right track. Definitely if you have coupons here like 15% off, 10% off, I would bold those, kind of like what you did up here with the red for that and the green with this. I notice up here it says pet underscore products, so I assume that might be a mistake, so you might want to adjust that. Um, the other thing is that, the about page has this blue, the other ones do not. So let's try to keep it consistent. I did see some issues here. So if I go to brackets, the first thing I want to do is on the about page where you have your style for your border. You have to put the quotation mark before the where it says B for border, and it should be something like this. So your quotation marks should go around the property value that you have up there. Now what I want you to do is I want you to try to avoid putting in inline styles. So if you're going to apply H1 color, then what you want to do is you want to take this color, I'm going to copy it out, I'm going to go to the style sheet, I'm going to add it to the H1 tag. When I do that, it's going to apply it to consistent, so it's on every page. So then what you want to do is you want to delete that from showing. Okay, so when we save this and I look at it, all pages are going to have that blue. So let's try to use the external style sheet for that purpose. Okay. Then on the products page, the same thing here where you have H4 style. So again, what I would do is I would copy that and I would create a H4 tag. And you're putting the background color in, so that way anywhere there's H4s it's going to be consistent. And then of course you can delete that from showing on that. Now for your table, where you have this with the table head, I was thinking that I wonder if we can do, if we take the first three, okay, and then create another TR tag down here at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the three, cut that out. Oops, in the wrong place. And again, it's within the table. Let's see what this looks like. So you see how it's creating the vertical look, because then we can format this. We can do a little bit different job when it comes to the formatting. So what I was, because then I can adjust the spacing, I can adjust and change the colors, and I think that would probably make it easier to kind of look at. And once we adjust the styling as we get into next week, for that purpose. I just noticed that you're missing your article tag on this page. You have the opening article tag right here, and really what we want to do, because what's happening, see how this blue, the background color is going all the way across the browser? That's because it's not in the article tag, and we constrained that with 960 pixels. So what you want to do is just move the opening article tag up here after the closing nav tag. Now watch what happens. So make sure that the text fits within 9